Detoxification basically means cleaning the blood. This is the process of removing impurities from the blood and the liver, where the toxins are processed for elimination. The body also removes toxins through the kidneys, intestines, lungs, lymphatic system and skin. When these systems are compromised, the impurities are not properly filtered, and the body is affected. Lighten your load of toxins, eliminate alcohol, coffee, cigarettes, refined sugars and saturated fats, all of which act like toxins in the body, and hinder your healing process. In addition, minimize the use of household chemical-based cleaners, and personal healthcare products, such as cleaners, shampoos, deodorants, dentifrices, and replace natural substitutes. Stress is another obstacle to good health. It triggers your body's release of stress hormones. These hormones can shorten your lifetime. They create large amounts of toxins, and slow down the liver detoxification enzymes, so this is a very serious matter and cannot be ignored. Red tea and green tea are one of the best sources to detox your body naturally. It can be argued that red tea is as good, or better, than green tea, known as rooibos. This tasty tea has a stronger flavor than its weakest brother, and has even more benefits. In addition to being an active ingredient in the fight against metabolic disorders, this tea can also help fight Alzheimer's disease, heart disease and diabetes. However, one of its best features is the way it facilitates weight loss. Red tea does not contain caffeine, which means you can drink as much as you want, at any time of the day or night. So why do you need it? If you are looking for the best drinks that help burn abdominal fat, this product is for you. It can be used as a deterrent, to prevent nibbling or to accompany a meal late at night, contrary to popular belief. Red tea will shrink these fat cells, and leave you naturally detoxified with a healthy and general glow. This cup of herbs will detoxify your body naturally, and effectively. The taste is great and make you feel fresh from inside. Red tea detox will help you fight for a healthier body, improving your health while melting belly fat.